Raghav Chadha is an Indian politician and member of the Aam Aadmi Party. He is the vice chairman of the Delhi Jal Board and an MLA from the Rajendra Nagar Assembly constituency in Delhi. He is also a practicing chartered accountant. He was the chairperson of the Committee of Peace and Harmony which summoned Facebook India representative for a discussion on 18 November 2021. Born on 11 November 1988 and raised in New Delhi, Chadha received his school education from the capital city's modern school, Barakamba Road, and graduated from University of Delhi. He then pursued chartered accountancy from the Institute of Chartered Accounts of India, post which he went to the London School of Economics for a certification course of MBA. In his early career he worked with accountancy firms including Deloitte and Grant Thornton. When AAP won the 2015 Delhi Legislative Assembly election with a majority, Chadha at the age of 26 was appointed as AAP's national treasurer. In April 2018, the then Union Minister of Home Affairs, Rajnath Singh, terminated his appointment as an advisor to Sisodia along with 9 other advisors. In 2019, he contested from the South Delhi parliamentary constituency in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.